My name is Chinedu. I'm the CEO and Senior Analyst at Profit Plus Trading Academy in Lagos, Nigeria. Are you ready to take your trading career to a brand new level? If the answer is yes, then join us at an insightful one-day seminar coming up on Saturday, the 22nd of April 2023. The event will hold at the prestigious Excellence Hotels and Conference Center, Lagos, Nigeria. In this seminar, you will learn some proven skills that will enable you to generate consistent profits in the market. Whether you're a beginner trader or you are a professional, no matter the level of experience that you are, there is something for you to learn, because our team, making up of some well-known top veterans in the industry, will be available to walk you through everything you require to become profitable and to achieve your trading goals. We have made provisions, for your comfort, whether you're participating online or on site. You don't want to miss this event. Go straight to the link below to register, because we have so many giveaways for every participant. But we have a star prize for the top 20 persons to register for this event and to arrive at the venue of the event. You don't want to miss this. Please go now, register for the event and get ready, clear your schedules and plan to arrive early. So much to learn, very exciting, very insightful, and you will receive more skills to take your Forex trading career to a brand new level. I'll be looking forward to having you on that day. Cheers.